In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the financial year in Zoho Books in just 5 minutes. Whether you're adjusting to new fiscal policies or simply managing your business's accounting practices, updating your financial year is a straightforward process with Zoho Books. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser on your computer. Go to the search bar and type in Zoho. Once you've done that, hit enter and take a look at the search results. Usually, the first link or the one with zoho.com as its URL will be the right choice. Click on that link to open the Zoho website. Now that you're on the Zoho homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't already have a Zoho account, this is the perfect time to sign up. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. But assuming you do have an account, simply enter your email and password, then log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see a range of Zoho's applications. Your next step is to select Zoho Books, which will take you directly to your dashboard. This is the main hub where you'll manage all your financial data and perform various actions related to bookkeeping. Now that you're in the Zoho Books dashboard, look towards the top right corner for the Settings button, often represented by a gear icon. Clicking on it will reveal a variety of options you can adjust in your account. Look for the section called Organization, and you'll find Profile listed there. Click on Profile to access detailed settings within your organization's account. When you're in the Organization Profile settings, scroll down until you see the Fiscal Year field. This is where you can update the financial year for your business. It's crucial to set it correctly, as this defines the period for which your financial reports are generated. To change the fiscal year, simply click on the field to bring up a drop-down menu. From this list, you can select the new fiscal year that aligns with your accounting requirements. Once you've made your choice, ensure everything looks correct by quickly reviewing your selection. After that, don't forget to click the Save button to apply your changes. This step is important because any adjustments you make won't take effect until they're saved. Once you hit Save, you've successfully changed the financial year in your Zoho Books account. And that's it. You've just updated your financial year settings in Zoho Books. This small change can significantly impact how you manage your finances, allowing you more flexibility in aligning with contractual or governmental fiscal periods. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.